வெல்கம் பேக் டு மை சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் இன்றைக்கி நடந்த ஃபிசிக்ஸ் 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபிசிக்ஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் கொஸ்டின் வித் ஆன்சர் கீ தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1 பாருங்கள். The dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity is answer option D, mole per liter per temperature. Second question, if an object is falling from a height of 20 meter, then the time taken by the object to reach the ground, ignore air resistance and take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. இது வந்து option A 2s. Third question, if the temperature and pressure of a gas is doubled, the mean free path of the gas molecule, option B, remains same. Fourth question, the graph between volume and temperature in Charles' law is answer option A, a straight line. Then fifth question, which one of the following physical quantities cannot be represented by a scalar? Option A, momentum. Sixth question, a sound wave whose frequency is 5000 Hz travels in air and then hits the water surface. The ratio of its wavelength in water and air is option B 4.30. Seventh question, in the given SKHM y is equal to 2 sin 20 pi L plus 1.5, the frequency of oscillation is option A 10 Hz. Eighth question, a particle executing SKHM crosses point A and B with the same velocity having taken 3 seconds in passing from A to B. It returns from B to A after another 3 seconds. The time period is option D 6s. Ninth question, the fundamental frequency of closed organ pipe whose length is 10 cm is option B 2.5 volts. 10th question, a uniform force of 2 I vector plus j vector into n acts on a particle of mass 1 kilogram. The particle displaces from position 3 j vector plus k vector m to 5 I vector plus 3 j vector m. The work done by the force on the particle is option A 10 joule. Then 11th question, a rigid body rotates with an angular momentum L. If its kinetic energy is half, the angular momentum becomes option C 1 by root 2. 12th question, மைய விலக்கு விசை எங்கே ஏற்படும்? Option D, only in rotating frames. 13th question, the kinetic energy of the oscillate orbiting around the earth is option D, less than potential energy. 14th question, if a wire is stretched to double of its original length, then the strain in the wire is option B 1. 15th question, round of the number 19.95 into 3 significant figures, option D 20.0. Then part 2, 2 more question. ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக தான் இருந்தது question. 16th question, write the rules for determining significant figures. 17, define scalar, give example. 18, under what condition will a car skid on a leveled circular road. 19, write any two differences between conservative and non-conservative force. 20th, what are the conditions in which force cannot produce torque. 21st, state Newton's universal law of gravitation. 22, define Poisson's ratio. 23, state zeroth law of thermodynamics. 24th is the compulsory. Two objects of masses 3 kg and 6 kg are moving with the same momentum of 30 kg per second. Will they have same kinetic energy? Then part 3, இதில் வந்து 6 கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். 33 question வந்து compulsory. 25th question, what is gross error? State the reason for it and how to minimize the errors. 26th question, write the properties of scalar product of two vectors. 27th question, state the differences between centripetal force and centrifugal force. 28th question, state the various types of potential energy, explain its formula. 29th question, explain geostationary satellites. 13th question, write the practical application of capillarity. 31st question, state the laws of simple pendulum. 32nd question, write down the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. 33 question, during a cyclic process, a heat engine absorbs 600 joule of heat from a hot reservoir, does work and ejects an amount of heat 200 joule into the surrounding. Calculate the efficiency of the heat engine. Then 5 more question, 34th question, obtain an expression for the time period t of a simple pendulum. The time period depends on number 1, mass m on the bob, 2, length L on the pendulum, and 3, acceleration due to gravity g at the place where the pendulum is suspended, constant k is equal to 2 pi. B வந்து பாருங்க, explain in detail the triangle of vector addition. 38th question, show that in an inclined plane angle of friction is equal to angle of repose. B வந்து derive an expression for power and velocity. 36th question, derive the expression for moment of inertia of a rod about its center and perpendicular to the rod, or explain the variation of acceleration due to gravity g with the depth from the earth's surface. 37th question, derive the expression for the terminal velocity of a sphere moving in a high viscous fluid using Stokes' law. B, derive Mayer's relation for an ideal gas. 38th question, derive the expression of pressure exerted by the gas molecules on the walls of the container. B, derive Newton's formula for velocity of sound waves in air. Explain the Laplace correction in it. Thank you for watching.